Hi guys, Amy here from Mean Green Bunny, and today we're going to be talking about the May 2019 Petit Vour Beauty Box. We're going to be unboxing it together. I'm going to be showing you everything that is inside this month's box. For those of you who are not familiar with the Petit Vour Beauty Box, Petit Vour has a subscription service. I'm going to read to you exactly what the website says just so I don't get anything confused. A cruelty-free, non-toxic, plant-based beauty box that comes with 4 luxury items a month. You can choose to pay it all at once for the year, which I believe is $180 for the year, which works out to be $15 a box, or you could pay it monthly for $80. Not $80. So it's $18 a month if you choose to do it monthly, or $180 for the year, which works out to be $15 a box. I have been subscribed to Petit Vour since I believe about early 2017. It is my favorite as of right now of the beauty boxes for cruelty-free and more cleaner beauty. And I haven't opened the box yet at all. So right now all I've done is just take off the wrapper and we're gonna open it and see what's inside together. All right. Always in all of the boxes, you get your card, just like in all the other services. You get the, I'm not sure if it's gonna show up in the light. You get your, here we go. Your card, it says Petit Vour. It always has really pretty artwork on it. The back has all the information about the company, all of the subscription information, where to find them on social media, yada, yada, yada. Inside, it tells you all about what's in your May box. Okay, so it says May 2019 Beauty Box. The May Beauty Box is all about prepping your skin for those upcoming special occasions, graduations, travel, and summer. We're featuring a face cream that acts as a shield for your skin, a new tinted sunscreen from Suntegrity that blurs imperfection and provides broad spectrum. You know what, I don't want to read too much because I like just kind of reaching in like it's Christmas and seeing what we got, but then I will kind of go back and refer to this as we do it. All right, so as written, there is our Suntegrity Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen. Now I'm really into sunscreens right now with the change of the seasons. I just actually purchased a whole bunch of new ones to try. It says infused with peptides and vitamin C and E, broad spectrum, SPF 30, blue light protection, it's vegan, for all skin types, oil and silicone free, and you get a little 0.25 ounce sample of this in the shade Ivory. Now that's also because when you sign up for Petit Vour, you fill out a beauty profile, so it gives some information on, you know, your hair color, your skin color, how light you are, how fair you are, all of those things. Gives them an idea of your skin type, things like that. Next in the box we have La Vito, inspired by nature. All right, Thera Intense Foot Cream. Okay. It says tea tree, nurture, hydrate, and refresh. For all skin types, 30 milliliters, dermatologist tested. All right, so I guess this is for, you know, for the summer when you want to have, the lighting wasn't so rough. All right, here we go. A little better. There we go. All right, when you're having pedicures, you're putting on your flip-flops and your sandals, you want to show off your feetsies. All right, next, this really is all skin stuff. Wow, okay. All right, the next one is Be Kind Products Exfoliant Face Scrub for Sensitive Skin. All right, I don't think I've ever used anything from Be Kind Products. That's a newer to me at least. It says vegetarian and vegan, exfoliant. It's kind of hard to see, it's a little bit small. Hibiscus and cranberry seed face scrub for soft and refreshed skin. I kind of want to sniff it because things that go on my face, I tend to be a little bit picky with scents. I like almost no scent. Oh, that smells pretty. I'm gonna take a little. Oh, that smells really pretty. It smells very soft. Oh, very exfoliating. The granules are, what do they call it? Very soft and very fine. It doesn't feel like big pieces of sugar. It feels more like small pieces of small sugar. I don't know. Very, very small, very fine. Very nice. It smells really nice. Okay, and then the last item in the box is the Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. What are we? Dry, normal, and combination. Organic seaweed moisturizer hydrates, firms, and protects skin from environmental stressors. Perfect under makeup and sunscreen. Use day or night. Okay, so it's just a moisturizer, I guess, right? Sounds like. Now, I've used quite a few products from this brand, and I have liked most of them. I'm gonna test the smell. I've never used this one. I've never used anything in here, actually, which is kind of rare for me because I tend to use a lot of products and test a lot of products out. Oh, that smells so pretty. It's so light. It almost has no scent at all, which for me is kind of exactly how I like it. I don't like a lot of rose or a lot of strong scents that sometimes face creams can have. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. And now I didn't open the Suntegrity. I want to try to do that. I was just getting excited to see what everything was in the box, and now I'm going to kind of poke around a little bit. I have quite a few sunscreens that I've been testing out lately because for the summer, being fair-skinned, it, okay, I don't know if you can see, it's slightly tinted. But it doesn't look like it's going to leave a white cast. Again, very, very light smell. At this point, I feel like everything is kind of moshing together, the scents, but overall nothing has been overpowering scent-wise. And then going back to this guy right here, the foot cream, I would imagine this is probably, since it has tea tree, is probably going to have a tea tree kind of smell, which is fine because that's going to be on my feet. And that's a nice size bottle. That's a nice size. My light is so bright. Okay. It's a nice, a nice size. I'm imagining. Oh, actually, unless there's something wrong with my sniffer today, nothing really has a strong smell. It has a very faint tea tree smell, but nothing. It has a cooling feeling to it. You can feel the tea tree, but you can't. Very, very, very light scent. It doesn't have an overpowering odor to it at all, which is right up my alley because I don't like strong smells. It gives me a headache. And also just being really sensitive on my face. Scents tend to just, not work very well for me. All right, so that's it. Now, the value of the box, it says the Impeccable sunscreen. The Impeccable Skin Tinted Sunscreen is worth $7. The Atmosphere Protection, which was the Osea, is $48. This looks like it's a full size. 2 fluid ounces. Pretty decent size. Very nice. The Sensitive Skin Face Scrub, the Be Kind Skincare. It's a $9 value. Again, pretty nice size. And then the foot cream is a $7 value. Bye-bye, cracked skin. Hello, baby soft feet. This ultra moisturizing foot cream soothes and repairs dry, itchy, and damaged skin while eliminating odors. Cool. All right. So there we have it. This is the May 2019 Petit Vour box. I love the box. I love the the creme of the cruelty-free. I have always enjoyed Petit Vour. I do a lot of shopping with them. I'm not affiliated. Everything I have here has been purchased. All my opinions are mine. I don't have any affiliation or sponsorships through them. I'm a Petit Vour liker. I have been shopping with them for quite a few years now, and I almost feel like I've tested just about everything in there, and then when they come out with the new stuff, I get super excited. So it's fun. That's why I love the box, because the boxes you get to test. You get to try, figure out, you know, because this is a nice size. This will tell you whether or not it works for you or not. It's enough. It's enough of a product. And I've also found that the profile is pretty good. So, you know, I'm fair-skinned. I look a little bit red right now because my blush is a little bit bright in the lighting. But overall, I'm very, very fair-skinned. So they do a pretty good job when you fill out your beauty profile of matching you with products that are appropriate for you. So I've always been pretty happy with their stuff. I'm excited to try this stuff. I really am actually excited for the foot stuff because I haven't done anything to get ready for the summer this year yet with my toesies. So now I can. All right, guys. So that's it for the Petit Vour box. I'm thinking about testing the Be Kind. I think that's what it's called, which I had seen a couple of videos on. I know it's also similar to the Petit Vour boxes. I'm thinking about testing one of those out. I know that those are supposed to be good as well. I've been pretty loyal to my Petit Vour box. I haven't really tested out too many of the other cruelty-free or the cleaner, not the cruelty-free because usually everything I do is cruelty-free, but the cleaner boxes. I have just kind of stuck to this one because I haven't found another one as good. So I'm thinking about trying out the Be Kind box next. And I don't know if that's what it's called, Be Kind. Because I don't know if I'm just thinking it because of this guy here. I don't know. I'll have to look that, and if I get it, I'll pop on and I'll do an unboxing here as well. So all right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.